Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this section, we are going to learn about the trick on balancing an equation. Okay, let's move on into the trick without any late. Here, Fe plus O2 gives you Fe2O3. This equation is not a balanced one. So, in order to make this equation a balanced one, here I am using this trick. Let's move on into this trick without any late. So, let me keep A, B, C as the coefficients. Now comparing these coefficients on both sides. Fe, I am comparing Fe now. A equal to, here there is no Fe, so no need to write B. Here 2C, okay. Now I am comparing oxygen. 2B gives you 3C. Now let me assume as C equal to 1. As assuming C equal to 1, there is no problem as A, B, C are in a ratio. So now substitute C equal to 1 in this both equation, that gives A equal to 2, B equal to 3, that means B equal to 3 by 2. Now substituting the values of A, B, C in the following above equation. So 2Fe plus 3 by 2 O2 gives you Fe2O3. Here 2 and 1 are integers, no problem. But 3 by 2, which is a fraction. So in order to make this fraction into a integer, multiplying 2 on both sides. So 2 into 2Fe plus 2 into 3 by 2 O2 plus 2 Fe2O3. See, now observe these two cancel, fraction which is turned into integer, that is 3. So 4Fe plus 3O2 gives you 2Fe2O3. This is a simple trick which you can solve within 5 seconds if you can learn it very easily. Now let's move on to another example. H2 plus O2 gives you HO2. As keep A, B, C. Now compare on both sides. 2A equal to 2C. And again 2B equal to C. C equal to 1. Then 2A equal to 2. A equal to 1. And B equal to 1. 2B equal to 1. Sorry. 2b equal to 1, b equal to 1 by 2. Now substituting the values of a, b, c in this equation, 1H2 plus 1 by 2 O2 gives you 1H2O molecule. And multiplying with 2 on both sides again, then the equation will be H2H2 plus O2 gives you 2H2O. This is the balanced equation. Now let's move on to another example. N2O4 plus CO gives you N2O plus CO2. As the same process proceeds, keep A, B, C, D as the coefficients of that molecules and compare nitrogen, oxygen and carbon on both sides. Let me write the molecules separately for not having a confusion. The molecules that participating are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon. Now comparing on both sides, first I am comparing nitrogen. Here 2 of A, nitrogen, here there is no nitrogen. So which equal to, here there is nitrogen. So 2C. Here there is no nitrogen. So nitrogen is completed. Now I am going to oxygen. 4A plus B. There is only one O. So B equal to C. Here 2D plus 2D. So oxygen also completed. Now let's go to carbon. Here there is no carbon and here there is one B, and here there is no carbon and here there is only one, so that is D. Okay. Now let me keep C equal to 1. If I keep C equal to 1, then here 2 will be cancelled, which gives A equal to C. So that is A equal to 1. Now as you know B equal to D, now let me substitute B equal to D. 4A, that is 4, plus B is nothing but D, which gives you C is nothing but 1, plus D, 2D. Okay, 3, which equal to D. As B equal to D, so B equal to 3. So substituting ABCD values in the above equation, we will get N2O4 plus 3CO gives you N2O plus 3CO2. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this trick. This is the example which you can try yourself and comment me the correct balanced equation in the comments. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this trick. Well, thank you. Bye.